Temu akwaba de adruso no ye bedwam so kase ensam ne do so de obete no eso kashe bi ni se special prosecutor to nsa Afre Kofi Ofosu enkansa se obi dia beda no se ochiachi adamudie ne nyama bi ya entwa ye sanso na Ghana School of Law wode ato aban nanim se wasrada wo mu school no sika kakra wo mu ankasa nya ne school mo na aban no entwe ne ho emfri sa sika no emu na soafo nso a Oshagmosia ho nsem so de asudwa so manfo bi no mo kasa se social no be koso bi si adusuafo no omo nchro subjects nyina ne wo kyeremu a de omo fra se asua ka ho ne nyina no omo be kyerɛ ho ensohwe we ene nsem ahoro bi nam de so mo se bedwam so kasa DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook re Adom TV Extra usia me a ya frame anoche wa ba ajwa se wa fensem ne kyeremu no be de to so. Special Prosecutor Atonsa Afre NEIP Boss Kofi Ofosu enkansa ya wojina ma premra shebedwadi bre no e wa Asante Achim Central Baton Pesua no esom na OSP echiremu a bronya no panyini boaboa delegate bia no ye wo mo adoye acheche sika ne niam bia mo a osusu se anhwe yi ana se ye kwan bi so a wo fa so de ato delegate no agene de kan se vote buy ne no so na dwuma ne so behwehwem ne senti wato nsa afro panyi so mra na nhwehwem pefe enkoso Ebusia na se edono na yemfiri sansem ni mo na yenko ensem foforo emu na Ghana School of Law emu mpanimfo so de ensem atoja na wo mo a aje bresa wo mo kwa akosua embra no afimpiri ne aduonu miensa ene afimpiri ne aduonu na meche 2023-2024 year for no wo mo aba bedruye oba beje ntete na wo abra mpanimfo mo makwa aba abo mo atrase de kan se induction no ena mpanimfo yi de adehwede mu oden eto Ghana abayanim se internally generated fund na say we no eye sika school no a energy wo hono mo ahwe so we bebo school no ho bra ban hwe na won twede ho free school no sa wo mu sika no.
The Ghana School of Law is the only institution of education that pays part of its IGF to the government. In fact, last year alone we paid in excess of 12 million Ghana cedis to the government of Ghana. Until recently, the government was taking in excess of 30% of our IGF. And so, Honorable, if you are surprised that since 1982, when you left the school, these buildings that accommodated you and your friends have virtually seen very little or significant expansion. It's all because the government shares our money with us and hardly makes any contribution for the expansion.
Emra shebedwamu chiamehene Alban Sumana Kensford Bagben ene kokasa wudwumadi na se na ne kasa yemu no watu adesuafo nyina afo se emranim adwuma wo ba besua no won sua no kwan a ebema ebuo ani nidie aba wo no mo ho.
The law, as you all know, is a powerful tool. Its strength derives from the ethics guiding its use. Therefore, aspiring lawyers are urged to aspire to leave a legacy of ethical conduct, inspire trust, and serve as role models. Since His Excellency the President has pledged to support the school, he knows me very well. You have sleepless nights.
And Central for share most from Con Aquaso, and then I swafo ya was sharing Monsieur Honsemso. Doctor was say ya educhum no den some to just say. None other no manphobic can say BC addition for no sorry betrono, any subject nesobete, essence, a fufrobia beca who won yin ni se ushemupanoa, and Codano shadan trosa subject no one's reader. And to pass question be anyone could be fast wash, Sasha one more be marking on woman be a studio be a so. Asset questions kwan wo dia mark and no and answer for share mo na say doctor will say you do to much say subject am kwada no betro no so nte de o masua free JHS1 e bepem 3 ni nyina wo betro na emmo de tise agodo agu akwam say social ne twro ene akire nsem nyina no bekoso tote.
It's a new curriculum, so maybe the nature of the questions will be a bit different. So parents should not panic. We are not changing the number of subjects under the BEC. It's going to be the same. And NACA is going to send our sample questions of the new exams because it's a new curriculum. The teachers have been teaching differently, and therefore the question might be a bit different. So sample questions will be disseminated by NACA and WAEC to all schools. No room for any panicking, because your children, as they always do, are going to do well.
Wasan edi to just say, "Womu bewe say, capitation grant boa a school for no, womu be manaba, send a school for so ebetimi akọ onenim."
And I'll let you know when the next capitation grant is released. I think you specialize in it, and your heart is in the right place, making sure schools are well equipped to do the job that they've been tasked to do. I know next week GS is working on a release, and we will keep you informed.
I was answering Cornwall, and a doctor was saying, "I did to to just say, Ghana by Ghana man penny His Excellency and Nadu Danko Kufuado, Edian Mono, but no more than some Monsieur Hon Semono, whatever could any more pan was senior Mahodo dear go Quamana Bois among Monsieur Hon Semono days, he said, be a general age in a year. I dance here be a year was see ya this young fono, a quattro and one such a year Babon Tenano.
And so Ghana phone call a year, or man penny and Nadu Danko Kufuado Adaroma, or this school. I won't your school fees by na Ghana for be busase na so on faso man na no cre so on faso man yen kwala anu afi o mabo homoden pa en so hwe mko yom de ko university no we de twi ye beka se na dutwam e bi nsi da we ene en so hwe o maya ifi afi empimienu eni nsia no ebe ya afi de no fe emudu echen de atwamu ni nyina ento mampeni na Danko Kufuado di free senior high school by Ghana for so enya ho emfaso pa ufri honom na akoduru ensano anadwuma adesuamu nso a adan fefefe omampeni SCC emfidi a yede adwuma wato afoforo agum ama ensano anadwuma sua nso eno nso wokọ ho a untua school fees bia biem enti no kre wo ba nwuma sua so ye ha ye ni age ewo nimdia sonko a omampani na Nadu Danko Kufuado edi aman no de aboan si emfanse sanwomasuam no oman enya emfaso kese na Ghana de nkeji di da se ye nkwara yi ebetimi aye elupra omo ya na tu na sabesi enso oman mu ye bi de broni friend no system no Ghana nso ebi abaha ye nkwara na nisu ade hu mu odu enti eyade ase ekoso ne ye ne saa oman bedru mrebi ye be kra behwe ye nso ye be yade abroni entimi nya bida na de mpuntuo kese be brai ama ye men asesa preko ape enkrofo ka ho bo mu aman sesa ye bae headmasters a teacher for awofo school for adwumaden ti no
Yegusua wongmasuamu nsemu na we no yenko asuapo ahodo mu University Teachers Association of Ghana Trinity UTAG and the Technical University Teachers Association of Ghana TUTAG for na siamudi stronko koso na ye sa ekuo yimienu entem and Fair Wages and Salaries Commission entem na ne nyina ye se sa ekuo yimienu no mpere de abetu dwase ne wo moti atua esanse niema ne akade ne sikantumu ene niema bia wo maye ho adwuma wose wo nsaka no nya de se abane no na Fair Wages and Salaries Commission efre wo mo se nko mu nyina nhia na won sasa adwen wo hwe bebia wo esusu ade body ho befa na so dwumakwa mu mpanimfo chemu nya de se Fair Wages and Salaries Commission waye krado se wo mu hawo de ato animu no wo betie ntinchia mu no ase no na ne ekuemienu wo mo kogina wo manemu no esori pie
University Teachers Association of Ghana Trinity afre wonum UTAG ene Technical University Teachers Association of Ghana ya wonum so eye TUTAG enano pay bra wonum ene Fair Wages and Salaries Commission ekoye nhyiamu ewo won niama bi ha wonum dwumadie mu no entiase anya adwuma ema wonum sori pie free nhyiamu nim ekuo mienu yi ekiremu se anya de se suapo mu akyerkyerefo ebetena se nhwe han amwabu wonum animtia na fei eniama bi a wo hwe animu kwan se nkomonsa ka ebeboa wonum dwumadie no won fama wonum esigina yese enya de a UTAG ene TUTAG ebeye nhyiamu bia ya wonya mfaso bia emfirimu na wonum abokoko se enche kura kasa aban ene wonum awofa wonum adwuma eti ase no wone won ebeka
Yankwa Manyon Semoni, Kojamo Kwasi Marshe Bejani, Dr. Prince Hamid Ama, and Fisia 9 Awako, now was saying na wa president Brenobi, na Nesanti wa power the campaign Hontoma, ya watching it breaking the 4 to break the 8, was a way no Ebwabwa, 1 4 year, one more GDA war, MPP Amanyo Kunim, or Kwasi Minti, and one would say, what one more, no Dr. Prince Hamid Amano, no breaking 4, no, no, 8 mono. No more to my Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baum, you know, so I break it 8 for Fefe.
I mean, I'm performing the on the work I have done. But I'm surprised. Be my donation to me. I didn't know the Juma Maria and Sanan Kofu. I appreciate to the extent that wow, the sky then was Abba. We did it in the last 3 years. My Juma in all the 4 pillars I set up with the education and skills training as one first pillar. The entrepreneurship and job creation as my second pillar. The social improvement in health sector was health delivery and social services as my third pillar, and then my 4th pillar in leadership and governance. In all these 4 pillars, more specific benchmark or deliverables.
And which or he no question mean team, and so the same say yet to jar Edema, a 20 years for primary see the one who will be Shamubi.
And another day, politics. Lambum, on a day, pay your consuls in ye. A pobia, 75 year old consuls in Bombay. Dema, we never know what can be. Consuls in Okoyin Robinson, Okoyin Robinson, or the man on development on back consuls in entire for a day. Yeah, politics, but we are a day.
Na MPP amanyo ko na bato shonko bekoso bosumi o mene da yeto so aduono nson na empanifo wo mu yi wonti pese wo premier se bedwadi bere bato mpesu ahodo no so no emu ahasane aduono nsia 326 na vetting committee na toto wo mu anu ase hu ne se ebrason ye on betumi akogina mu na wa premier se bedwa edi bere no wa bato mpesu ahodo so.
Opepombo sumede toswa diono enso wa fimpinu enye do no nan mu na MPP amanyoko no ehwe no mu se ode wo mo parliamentary primaries ebehye so ewo man Ghana emu na wo nipa 373 ekofa nkrata na ehwe se betimi apredi bre na ebi no abro toto wo mo nyina no wiye no emu adiono enkono na enya de se mo ni obia apredi bre no ho na emudu ba konso so na mpanyifo ampene wo mo so a enente no de bre enya de se obetimi aprebi na sani paduba akui emumienu na mpanyifo kire omo se omo formani National Executive Committee ya mienu so de o mankasa jai so mo predibure no ebi ofofra na oka ho so de nya de se forms akofa ye no ofeli ewieye ya mienu so de abra na ototo wo ma no enya de se wo mo ko ho a omo mampanyifo toto wo ma no ebi ne senti Ipa 373 ekofa nkrate emu 326 na se simpanyifo apene wo mo so a prime say ncho de behye so no mo predict ni bi ewo mu na twerɛtwerɛfo panyini Adom MPP amanyoko no Justin Frimpong kodua insem bia body ya tu dwa ne se National Parliamentary Appeals Committee no ehwese efia da ekono ombetumi atena se na wono ma wampene wo mo so se ombetumi apredict ni bi se bana se wo mo ewa appeal bi a oda beda wo mo no mahwe aka ho ensem ye bra mpanyifo hye ya ne twatwo se ombetumi di o appeal na kwakoma National Parliamentary Appeals Committee no na eye enyoda
Yemfri hwane enko denchra brofri yedu na krowra eye na nato brankwanta a wotoso mienu denchra brofri yedu wo apa denchra west wo mfimfi mantem no emu no de adehwede ato Ghana ba na afa gifek anim se wasrada wo mu si telecommunication pole ni bi wo ho sa master wo mu hihye bi na wo mu yedu mpempenso bi no wagya ne ho tibesi ne network ya wugina baabi a betumi afro dofo ne dadi nkita ho ne nkoye saa so na sanko ma be ya wi a ka be fo kwan so ndwuma ahodo bi mobile money ye ne credit toni ade nyina no ke be koso ma maburu nso nsa akọwaro de senti wo frɛ sabe ya sade o mo hyase aho keka mu no won fa sa aho keka na ahwe no mewie
network wo ikure ma be enso basis happen network de bi Sisiano, school sem, Ediwa, and so Sisiano, school and some dying at the war. I hear the media so that's we try how the school
and which in another resort to buy him say contractor where you do quiet and free quiet no one in Casa no metwa a quiet year so a moment for.
Those are so fast and great command and not to confirm. This year, I feel happy. They will be the two. It's a option. The days are men one. I can't if I am free. Look out, ever I am free. It is said, some machine are back at my soul. And you do. The machine. A sample. Necessary. I can't feel happy. Let's also obey me crying, Jackie, Amame. And we say, obey.
Yenina den chabro do for woman semi so nakasi am de so Badwam so no me fa de nyina sie fa DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook no Adom TV extra wo hia me a frɛ me anoche wa ba ajwa se wa ye na ye homra na de obon krata pense mo online portal eso nsɛm ento aso Badwam so ni enko bebia